Today, I'm going to show you a really nice tool I came across for validating my email lists. It's called ValidEase. It gives 100 free credits to everyone when you create a new account. No card or subscription required, so you don't have to worry about getting charged. Let's start. First, let's talk about why you should verify your email lists. High bounce rates damages your sender reputation and email deliverability. Spam complaints, unverified emails lead to increased spam reports. And just consider the time and money spent on non-existent contacts. You can save resources by verifying your emails. Here's what makes this tool different. It doesn't just check if an email looks right, it actually verifies emails in real time through SMTP checks. In plain English, it makes sure the email address is actually active and working, keeping your bounce rate under 3%. Here you can see that you have multiple options for verification of emails. Single verification, bulk verification where you upload a file with up to 1 million emails, and finally the API in case you want to connect it to your software. Payments are one time and not a subscription. Now, let me walk you through creating an account and show you exactly how to use it.